That's a valid question. Are we testing people who feel they were born in the wrong body? The answer is not really. When someone says they feel like they're in the wrong body, they aren't usually given genetic or biological tests. Instead, the current approach is psychological assessment. Therapists and doctors talk with them, and if they meet the criteria for gender dysphoria, they can begin hormone therapy or surgeries. But what if there's a biological factor? Some studies suggest there might be brain structure differences between transgender individuals and their birth sex. Other research looks at hormone exposure in the womb, but chromosomal testing, genetic studies, not commonly done. Why? Because right now, gender transition is treated as a psychological condition, not a genetic one. What if we did test people's DNA and chromosomes? If we tested everyone before they transitioned, would we find genetic explanations for gender dysphoria? Some might have intersex conditions that were never diagnosed. Some might have hormone resistance syndromes. Some might have genetic variations that affect gender identity in ways we don't fully understand yet. And here's where it gets complicated.
Or some might
If a
just
person's
have
chromosomes and
disorder
biology match their birth sex,
within
does that mean they
themselves.
shouldn't transition?
Like, we're
Or
not
do we
touching on
acknowledge that
that.
identity
We're like,
isn't
oh, it's
just about
psychological,
genetics?
but we're not.
It's also about how someone feels in their own skin.
Yeah, it's a feeling.
Because right now,
so
science isn't
intense.
fully there.
They're so intense.